so beautiful.
Thank you.
Makazi.
Thank you.
I cannot wait.
What is going on? It's getting late. Oh, have you called them?
Yes, I called them and he said that they're on their way now. They're
Are you
almost
sure?
here, yes. Just relax.
Mama.
Hey, Mama, what about the elders? Are they outside?
Yes, they are there already. They are prepared. Everybody's waiting.
Okay.
Mama, you know what? I am so excited. Hope you are talking. Mama, get ready. Very soon, I will be next in line.
Yes,
What are we not saying?
Me too. I'll soon join.
Yes, I am so happy that one of my daughters is getting married.
Yes, Mama.
I am so happy.
Mama, I'm happy. Oh. You need to see my dance step. I have prepared.
No, God,
I know you know how to.
You will steal it. Mama, wait, when they come.
I know you have to. Just sit down.
Okay, Mama.
Okay.
Wow,
So
I'm
wait,
happy.
let me go and talk to the elders to be at least let them be patient.
Yes,
That my in-laws are on their way.
They're on their way, Mama.
Okay.
They're on
Please
their way.
touch her face very
Mama,
well. so that
trust
she
me
look
now.
beautiful.
Oh, God, give me this one. Let me be fanning her so that she won't sweat.
Go and bring my earring.
Your
now.
earring.
Yeah, earring.
Hey,
Oh, now.
Don't stress, don't stress. Calm down.
Hey, my elders, because you people should exercise some patience. Our in-laws will soon be here. They're on their way already. Oh?
What is holding them? Huh? They are taking too long.
Let us give them some time more. Omwisi is a very far place. The distance is actually long, so let's give.
It's true. Thank you, Nai. Oh? Let me go inside and continue with the preparation. Oh?
I don't understand again. No, it's taking too long now. What is keeping them from coming?
I don't know. I'm beginning to get scared. I don't know.
No, Ada, Biko, you have to be positive. They will come. You know Muisi is far from this kingdom and their roads are not good at all. Relax. Don't be scared. They will come. Today is your day. Oh yeah, smile. Smile. Today is your day.
I think Ifeoma is right. Let's just be positive.
But his number is not going through. His number is not. I've been trying. He's saying it's not reachable.
Keep dialing it. Maybe he's in a poor network environment. It will connect. Trust me, they're on their way just like he said. I can feel it.
See, I can't face this embarrassment and shame.
No, now.
Ada, don't say that. What kind of thing is that? See, don't say that. Such will not happen. In Ania,
Amen.
they will come. Like Ifeoma said, let us be patient.
Because
Ada, Ebesnano now. I've been making you up since morning. Look at. You want to spoil your makeup?
relax.
Be positive now. Biko no one name why. Biko Messiaro. And then Miss Nanifa.
No, but it's not going.
Oh, then calm down now.
They will come.
And then calm down. Oh yeah, they are Biko.
For 4 good hours, we'll be waiting for them. Where are they now? They are yet to be come.
Hey, please be patient. So, my husband, they just called. They said they're on their way. They're almost here.
Okay.
Nayamadi, what do you mean by
I said okay. Let it not be what I am thinking.
What are you thinking?
Let it not be what I am thinking.
What are you thinking? Hey, you people should exercise some patience. Oh?
God, this is not happening to me again. This is not happening to me again.
Sister, no, don't say that. It should not happen again to us. It should not happen again to us. God forbid it. Please, sister, just calm down.
I want everyone to tell me to calm down.
Calm down.
I want everyone to calm down.
I understand how you feel. Biko, Ada, you have to put yourself together. Biko.
Oh.
Ada.
Sister, please calm down. Please calm down. It will not happen to us again. It will not happen to us again. Just calm down. Thank God, not again, not again.
Nai, please. Adana said she just spoke with them on phone and they confirmed that they are close. Because they will soon be here. They're on their way already.
Okay, they are still on their way. They are still on their way. It's all right. There is no problem. It's just that they have been on their way for a very long time. And how are we sure there is nothing wrong somewhere?
Nothing is wrong somewhere, Nai, Biko. Oh, what will be? They will soon be here. Oh,
I pray it will not be as usual.
What do you mean not be as usual? Eh? And Nai, please be positive now. No. Why are you trying to wish me bad?
No.
Eh?
We are positive and we are speaking well. We are even thinking well. Yes. It's just that we will not continue to wait indefinitely. We have to go. You know? Once they arrive, you let us know. We will come back.
Nah, because people should not go. They will soon be here. Because
once they come, give us a signal and we will come back.
Immediately.
Nah, people just hold on a little. They will soon be here.
We will soon be
here
back.
soon.
Yes, they are coming back. Immediately they come. Call us.
We will soon be back.
You people should not leave me. Oh, you people.
No, we're not leaving you.
People should not leave me. They will soon be here now.
I am getting confused over this whole issue. Who have we offended? Who?
Ifoma, don't say that. Don't just say that, Ifoma. We have not offended anybody. I strongly believe that whoever that is responsible for what is happening to us is in this community. In fact, the person is very close to us. We did not offend anybody. Don't say that.
His number is still switched off.
Adasuto's number is switched off.
What is happening? What exactly is happening? Wahadana.
What is happening?
First, it happened to Ngozika. Same thing repeated itself on Adana's first tutor. Here we are again.
Hey. Hey, whoa. Hey! Not again. Now look at it. The elders have gone. They said they cannot wait any longer. They got angry and they left. What will I do? Hey! What will I do?
Hey!
God, who am I?
Sister, please. Sister, please. You need to calm
My
down.
enemies will laugh at me. My enemies will laugh at me.
Mama,
Sister, please. Sister, you need to calm down.
Hey! Adana!
Mama,
Let me go and bring my Adana. Let me hold her. Adana! Hey!
What is happening to us? Why are we going through this trauma in our family? Earlier it was me. Later it was Ngozika. And now, another disappointment. Who have we offended? Obina, what have I done to you? What have I done? What have I done? My heart is broken. I'm in so much pain. My heart is heavy. I don't know what to do.
I am more worried than you. I keep asking God, what has my daughters done? Why would they deserve this kind of shame and disgrace all the time?
I feel like dying. No. I can't bear any more embarrassment and disappointment. It's killing me. Am I cursed? Are we cursed? Mama, tell me, are we cursed?
You are not cursed. We are not cursed.
What is going on? I'll get in there, man. I'll get in there, man.
You won't kill yourself. Nothing is happening. You are just fine. You are beautiful the way you are. Don't worry. Let him go. Another man will come.
Mama, for how long? Mama, have you looked at me lately? I am not getting any younger. I am. What?
Don't worry. Maybe both of you are not destined to be together. Your own man will come.
Oh, God.
Biko, no. Oh, stop hurting yourself. Stop crying. Ada daddy. It's okay. Your own man will come. Your own husband will come at God's own time.
My dear, I am so confused. Very, very confused. Adana's exam is by the door and I have not been able to raise money. What do I do?
Honestly, Nai, I don't know. I don't know.
And the family land. How I wish I could sell the family land. I would have been able to raise the money. But unfortunately, I can't sell the family land.
Hey, Nai, if you don't sell the family land, how else do we raise money for her school fees? Well, just tell me, how do we raise money?
My dear, I am afraid. Honestly, I'm afraid. You see, I can't go to the meeting because I have not paid the last debt. But, my dear, do you know, I'm having a second thought. I'm having a second thought of selling palm fruit.
Yeah. Nai, that won't be enough. It will not, selling palm fruit won't be enough to raise this money. 150,000 naira is what is required. And you are talking about selling palm fruits.
My dear.
Yeah.
You see, I will still run around and raise more money in addition to any amount of money I must have made from selling the palm fruit.
Should we do that?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you so much, Nai. Thank you. That's why I talk about you. Thank you so much.
Oh, my dear, you don't need to thank me. See, when I see your face, I'm glad. You give me joy. Each time you smile, oh, see, I'm on top of the world, just like my daughter's face.
Thank you.
Let me go and run around.
It's okay.
Thank you very much.
All right.
All right, dear. Take care of yourself.
I will. Just go well. Oh? Go well, Nai.
I will.
Hey. Hey.
Uchendo, my friend, you know me very well. I am your best friend and I will not tell you lies. I won't deceive you. Uchendo, my friend, I cannot borrow you money to waste on your female child's education. Take my advice. Stop spending money on her education because it's not necessary. One day she'll be married away. And all your venture and all your investment in her will go on. See, I can take any insult you pass to me, my person. But I take exception at any insult directed at my daughter, especially when it concerns her education. I know fully well that you will not listen to me, but I still have to tell you the truth. Even if I have the whole money in this planet Earth, I will not give you because it will be a wasted venture. Countless times have I advised you to take a second wife, but you refuse. Look at me now. I am a father of 3 sons, and you, no. I have somebody and children that can live after me, but you, no. Only Toro up, Toro down, Toro left, Toro. That's what you have. So, what has that got to do with the help I am asking from you? If you have listened to my advice, by now you could have been a father of 2 sons. But now you have them. Toro up, Toro down, Toro. That's what you have. So go and sit down and stop disturbing yourself about your daughters. They are not useful. Not useful. They are all just Toro.
So, is there no way you can help me a bit?
Uchendu, my friend, there's no way I can help you. Just it is what it is. There's no way I can help you. I'm sorry. It is what it is. It is what it is.
Uchende, I have heard all you said and feel ashamed of you. That you are so bothered over a grown lady like Adana. Adana is old enough to take care of herself. Allow her to take care of herself. Her education is more important to her than to you. Yes.
Amadi,
Yes.
I don't understand. What exactly are you talking about?
Chindu, my brother, I don't know you as a pretender. There is nothing confusing in this matter. It is very plain. I am saying that all these things and worries and concerning her education will end one day, but she'll finally get into a man's house. And precisely, she'll end up in education. So let the man take it up from there. Or have you not tried for her?
Amadi,
Yes.
what are you driving at?
Well, I don't know how else to explain it to you. I am saying I don't have money at this moment. Even if I have, I won't loan you. Yes.
Amadi, why are you doing this to me?
I have said what I want to say. And you go home and relax, my brother. Tomorrow will take care of itself. Yes. You just have to develop that mindset. I have something to do at the backyard. You are tired sitting. You can go. Yes. Change the candle. I'm coming.
Amadi?
How did it go?
Bitter experience. Bitter experience. Nothing at all positive. I couldn't get any buyer. Neither did I get anybody who is ready to lend me some money.
Now you see why I insist you sell the family land. Sell this land so that we can raise some money.
Please.
Eh?
Please, no way there. Just forget about the sale of the family land. I can't do that. Instead, I will run around. I'll try the best I can to raise some money.
Anyway, I was on my way to the market before you returned. Your food is on the table. I also want to run around and see if I can raise some money. I will even go to my chairwoman's house to see if I can lend some money from her. If she can lend me some money.
That would be very good.
So that will add up with whatever thing you have to pay.
Thank you very much. That would be very fine.
This thing is too much.
What do we do? Thank you very much. God bless you, my dear. Thank you very much.
Let me run.
I wish you success. Hey. No matter what the obstacle is, my children must get education. They must get to the highest level of education. That I promise. And it must be so.
Well, my good friend. Thank God I met you here.
Oh, same here.
I was even thinking of coming to your house on my way from the market.
My friend, you look troubled. I hope all is well.
Anibemo, what do you want me to do? When a bone is hanged on my neck, what do you expect?
What is it? What is the problem? What could that be?
My sister, what is bigger than the antelope? I've come after the antelope.
Yeah. You're not still saying anything. What could that be?
It's Adania. Her school fees. You know she's in her final year and her exams are fast approaching.
Adana, my friend, why do you keep disturbing yourself over a grown-up girl? She's a big girl that can take care of herself. Why are you being worked up?
I know, but she did not send herself to school.
I know she didn't send herself, but at least she can get a very rich man, a man that can foot her bills for her. So I don't know why you and your husband, you keep disturbing yourself over a big girl. There are many rich men out there that can take care of her, pay her school fees.
Charlie.
Huh?
Charlie, do you know I did not raise my daughters up like that? I didn't raise them up to be flirting with men.
You should have told me your daughter is a reverend sister. Tell me she's a reverend sister because other children that are out there looking for men that foot their bills, they're wayward, right? And your own daughter is a saint. My dear friend, let me advise you. It's only a good friend that will tell his friend what is good and what is bad. If I were you, I won't worry myself because Adana is a beautiful girl. Every man wants her. So allow her to go out there, get herself a very rich man that will even take care of you, my friend. So I don't know why you're your husband. You have blood pressure. High one for that matter.
Ijoma did not raise these girls up to be wayward. I didn't raise them up to live a wayward life. You know that.
Okay.
And you are not giving me advice that they should they are big enough to take care of this. How?
Okay, my friend, in that case, I'm sorry, okay? Since your own children are not wayward, it's okay. But I know why you stopped me here. You want me to borrow you money. But my friend, I will disappoint you. As it stands now, my friend, I am even looking for who will borrow me 200 naira. I didn't even see. So I don't know, I don't even have any money. So my friend, just take care of yourself. Oh? Take care of yourself. It's not easy. I know there's no money.
So Ijoma, you saying you won't give me this money? Is it that you have this money you don't want to give me or you don't just want to help me?
My friend, why are you talking like this? If I have this money, I will give you. All I'm saying is, don't get yourself worked up. Allow your daughter to go out and look for who will take care of her. So that you will last, you will live long, my friend. Myself, I don't have. I'm even hungry. I didn't even see what will borrow me. Oh, my friend, just help yourself and stop being...
Charlie, Bikonu, please.
If I have, I will give you now. I don't have. Understand with me that I don't have. Oh? Just be good, my friend.
I don't know what else to do. Look at the woman that I even have my hope on. She's even giving me advice to that my children should go and be sleeping with men to go to school.
I must confess that I'm ashamed of myself. Yes. I don't know how to start it, but I have no option than to tell you. See, I tried the best I could. I ran around everywhere, tried to raise enough money, but I couldn't. Please, manage what we've been able to give to you. I will still try. Run around and raise more money, okay? Please.
Papa, are you saying that I'm going to miss my examination?
No, that is not what he's saying. Oh, see, if I can follow you to your school and talk to at least one of your lecturer or your VC, let me go and talk to them to allow you, Biko. Oh?
Mama, Papa, the university is not where you can go and talk to the VC or the lecturer, like secondary school, where you can go to the school and talk to the principal or the teachers. No. University is a different world on its own. You can't do that. I don't know what I am going to do. I don't want to miss my examination.
You will not miss it. Ada, you see, if it is within our powers to raise this money for you, we will do it. Well, please manage the little one we have, the one we gave to you. We'll raise more money and send to you in school. Oh? Nani, where?
Yes.
We'll send us more money.
Yes, exactly.
Please, one.
Please.
Oh, people, don't cry.
Please don't cry. Don't cry,
Please, Ada. Oh.
It's okay. I will manage what you have given to me.
Oh, thank you very much, my daughter. Thank you very much. God Almighty bless you richly. I know that the God we serve will one day answer our prayers, and all these that we're going through today will become history.
Amen.
Thank you very much. God Almighty bless you richly. Thank you.
God will continue to bless you. Oh, He will bless you. I know you're a good girl, and He's going to see you through the university.
Amen.
You know, go.
Amen.
Please. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, Onem. We'll go and be packing your things so that by tomorrow you start going to school. Oh.
I have no option than to continue the race.
For money.
I will continue with the race.
Sis, I'm going to miss you.
Hey. Sis, I'm happy for you.
Happy?
I'm so happy for you.
I'll miss you too. I'll miss you too. So Papa is not going to say goodbye to me.
I wonder if he's still sleeping by this time of the day. Let me go inside and check on him.
You were in the room with him. Why didn't you drag him out? I don't know.
Your father, you don't know the way he behaves. Let me check it.
Mama, check your husband, John.
I want your hair. This is my one and only wig. No. Do you know that it was my cosmate that gave me this wig?
Yeah, you can give your sister now.
How can I give you?
thank you. I have actually come for us to discuss concerning the funeral ceremony of my late brother. It is a long time he was buried, and according to tradition, it shouldn't be too long after burial, then the funeral ceremony. So I want to ask, what arrangements are you making? How far have you gone towards the ceremony?
There's no plans about it yet. I'm still waiting for Adana to come back so that I can seek her consent before selling my late husband's land at Ekeoha Market.
Here, what nonsense are you talking about? That you are still waiting for your daughter, Adana, to come back from school so you can seek her consent before you sell a portion of land to give my late brother a befitting funeral ceremony. Huh? Is that what you're saying?
I don't understand what you mean. I don't just know what you're talking about because I need to. Adana is my late husband's daughter, and with that, she should know that I want to sell her father's land before selling it. She should be aware I want to do such a thing. I can't just sell the land without her consent. It's not done.
Onyinye? Whose tradition are you promoting? Is it the tradition of this land or your own personal tradition? No, is it that you must seek the consent of Adana before you sell a portion of land? Okay, you don't worry. I know what to do. I will sell the land myself. I said I will sell the land and I will give my late brother a befitting funeral ceremony. Very, very simple.
In as much as my late husband did not have a son, Adana still remains the head of this family. So she should know about everything that is going to happen. Before anybody goes to that land, Adana must be aware.
Anyway, Onyinye, I am not here to pick words with you. We shall see whether you are the one to tell me what to do in this family or my very self to tell you. I am not here to pick words with you. I have decided on what to do. I will sell the land and I will get back to you.
Nanyu, you cannot sell my late husband's land, or you will not sell my husband's land. You will not sell my husband's land.
You make noise, woman. I said, I will sell the land and
I
will get back to you. You cannot change our tradition. It is very simple.
Nah, you will not sell the only land my husband left for us. You will not sell it.
Nai, I've always known that Onye has no regard for you. Yes, imagine consulting her stupid daughter before a land will be sold. Who does that?
You can imagine that. She wants to battle with me. Maybe she has forgotten my position in this family.
Nai, get a buyer and sell the land, period.
Are you advising me on that? Of course, that is what I'm going to do immediately.
Nanyo, Emeka, our son, will be coming back home soon. Remember what we discussed?
Yes, I still remember what we discussed. Emeka, I know he will be coming back soon. And I am on it. Yes, I'm on it. Forget that Onyinye wants to play smartness.
Forget her, she's a nobody.
No, we shall see. We shall see. Go and get me my food. Let me eat. Yeah, never mind.
All night.
We shall see.
Nai, will you eat here or you're coming inside?
Okay, I might come inside. Onyinye, we shall see.
Uncle, I don't understand. What happened? What happened to the money you realized from selling my father's piece of land?
Bia, Onye, tell your stupid daughter to stop shouting at my husband. If those robbers had killed my husband, would you be here saying this rubbish?
Wouldn't it have been better? Wouldn't he have been better? But they're giving us this useless information. What is going on here, Bikon? What is happening here?
What were you expecting? I'm asking you, what else were you expecting than selling the remaining land? That is, if yam sellers are not in the market, cocoyam sellers will make much sales.
Oh.
Life goes on. So, you should be grateful that I wasn't killed.
Madi, this is not fair. Oh. This is not just fair, Naya, Madi.
Mechipuano! What is not fair? Tell me, this is not just fair. If something is not fair, it will definitely be dark. Or the rocha, or the roji.
Auntie, please don't insult my mother. Please, don't insult my mother. What is it? I'm saying that your husband should tell us what happened to the piece of land. You are insulting my mother. Don't try it. I don't like it, please.
Shalo, did you say I shouldn't insult your mother? Are you mad? I should not insult your mother. Who is your mother? No, tell me, who is she? Who is Onye? Anyway, I know you will insult me. In a reasoning here, Baraba, you have started eating big things. You think I don't know? Are you in school? You are not in school. You only go there to do apuna. Prostitution. That's what you do. That's what you do for a living.
With or without your help, my father must be buried.
I know now. Don't I know your father will be buried? You know what you're doing. You know. Prostitute.
Thank you. Uncle Amadi. Why am I calling you uncle? Why am I calling you uncle? Let me tell you something, uncle. No, Amadi, you will hear from me.
No, why won't you call him uncle? Why won't you call him uncle? You think he's one of your sugar daddies, that place you stay? No, he's not. Anumano, Atangi, look at them. You said you're in school. People who are in school, does they wear this kind of hair? They take it on that gate. The mother said, it's not fair. What is not fair? If something is not fair, it will be dark.
I've already told them.
That's how it is.
Yes, if yam sellers are not in the market, yam sellers will make
sell markets.
I am so grateful to God for a successful funeral of my late husband, your father. I am so proud of you girls. You girls made me proud. Thank you so much.
Mama, we thank God. At least the burden has been lifted from our shoulders.
Mama, the villagers were actually amazed. They were surprised that we could pull everything through. That everything went so successfully. They didn't see that coming. They didn't see that coming at all, Mama.
At least, they will now shut their mouths and go home in shame. Wicked people.
May the soul of my late husband and the soul of all the faithful departed through the mercy of God rest in peace.
It is well. It is well.
You've been here for too long. What is it? Why are you crying?
Who is Adana? Has she been able to eat her food?
No, she hasn't. But Ngozika and I are doing our best to ease her pain. So tell me, why is my mother crying? What is it again?
Everything that trespassed when my late husband was alive.
Mama, how long will you continue to mourn Papa? Papa is gone, and nothing will bring him back. I know you loved him. We all did. But right now, we have to forget him and face the reality.
But he's still my husband. And I love him. I love him
Mama,
so
that is not the problem we are facing right now. Adana was disappointed on her traditional marriage day for the second time. For the second time, Mama. It is not easy for her. We need to convince her to forget about Obinna and move on. Please.
Where is Adana?
She's in our room.
The world is harsh. The world is a bitter place.
Mama, I have decided to pick up my broken pieces and move on with my life. And come to think of it, Ngozika, when are you going back to school?
How now? Sister, I don't understand. How will I go back to school when I don't have money to pay my acceptance fee? I don't even have money to pay for my school fees. No, what will I go to school to do now? Sister, I can't just go there and be watching the ceiling. I don't have money. I'll just stay here.
Honestly, I don't know what else to do. I'm so confused right now.
Mama, we have to sell Papa's remaining piece of land.
Huh?
With that, we can raise money, half of the money, to give to Ngozika to pay for her acceptance fee and her school fees and other things she needs to pay for in school.
Hey.
And then the other part of the money, you can use it to start a business.
Hey.
We need money. We can't have something to sell and we are starving.
Thank you very much, Adana. You just spoke my mind now. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sister.
This is exactly what I have in mind. Thank
Sister,
you.
thank you. You don't know what you've done for me. Like, I'm going back to school.
Yes, yes, you
Thank
are.
you, sister. Thank you so much.
I will not be alive and you will not complete your university education.
I know, sister. Thank you.
Mama.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Adana. I'm so proud of
It's
you.
okay.
Thank you.
I think you should meet Uncle
I will.
so that we can look for a buyer.
Yes, I will talk to my brother Mbakwe
Yeah.
so that he will help me look for buyer to sell the land.
And also, Ifeoma will have to assist you in the business, right?
Yes, she will. She will stay behind with me so that she will help me.
Mama, you go and meet the man now.
I will go.
I want to
Go
go
and
back
meet
to
him.
school. Thank you, sister. God bless you.
Who is after you?
Do you know that your brother's wife, Onyinye, are you aware that she has sold that piece of land? Hey!
Which piece of land?
Same piece of land that we kept for our son that you want to sell and settle him.
Wait! Which piece of land?
Your late brother's remaining piece of land that we kept for our son, Emeka.
I don't want to believe what you are saying.
What are you saying?
No, I don't want to believe what you are saying.
Now you have to believe me. Oh. I saw your brother's wife, Onyinye. I saw Mbakwe and a very young man coming out from that land. You see, you don't want to believe me.
Onyinye should not try me.
Chelo.
Onyinye should not dare me. Hey.
Wait, is this what you're saying? Are you not supposed to follow me to that place and see what she's doing? And stop her! And stop them!
Onyinye should not try me.
Onyinye,
forget that. Forget that.
Onyinyechi, I am not comfortable with the fact that he gave you the money cash. Why? What if anything happens to the money?
But wait, it is better that way. It is better. You see, Ngosika will be going back to school. And we need some cash at hand.
It's okay, I understand. But then, I understand. It's okay.
I don't want you to destroy this family. Onyinye, I don't want you to destroy this family.
No,
At all.
What is it?
Go into that house, bring out the money you realized from the land you sold, my brother's land. Bring the money and give it to me. Now.
I don't understand. My own husband's land? I should go in there and bring the money and give to you?
I wasn't expecting you to understand anything, Onyinye. Because there is no time you will ever understand. What I'm saying is, wherever the money is, go and bring it and give it to me. I am the man of the house. If the money is in the bank, come, let us go to the bank and withdraw the money. So you give it to me. Go and bring this money and give it to me.
Nah, this is not fair. This is not fair. This is not just fair. I have children too. I have children to take care of. You are asking me to go in there and bring the money and give to you.
Is there a task force to this family?
Did you say children? Is it? Are
they not children?
No. Female children, you are counting them as children.
Are female children not children? Are they not human beings?
Where is it done? Throughout the world, which tradition supports you, backs you up, that female children will be relied upon as offsprings? Where is it done? Go and give me the money, let me go.
Amadi, mind your choice of words. Amadi, mind your language. I will not sit here and watch you talk to my sister before me like that. Let me talk some sense. Don't say evil man. What can he do?
Where are you from? Put your mouth in your pocket and stay quiet. Stay out of this matter. You have no business with the money. You have no business with the family. Stay out. I am the man of the house. I am the one that will say what will happen in this family. That is all. Keep away.
Which money? Are you a task force to this family?
Go and bring the money.
Are you a task force to this family? Allow me. Let me do. What can he do? He can't do anything.
Do you know that? Don't pick words with me. Let me talk. Do you know that it is only what you have you can share, you can give out? You don't have sense. You are not sensible. How much more talking sense into somebody said? Stay quiet. Stay out of trouble. Mbakwe. Oh, now give me one. Let me leave here.
Nothing will happen.
Watch out.
Nothing will happen. You can't deal with me. Nothing will happen.
I know why I asked my wife to go back. We were coming here together, and if I had allowed her get to this place with me, it would have been worse than this. I know why I asked her to just go back home. So that I alone, as a man of the house, will come and handle the matter. And as for you, I will deal with you.
Nothing you will
I will deal with you.
Nothing will happen. You will do nothing, Amadi.
That's how he has been giving me problems in this house.
I'm a man like you. I will fight you like a man.
He doesn't give me peace.
Yes, I will face you face to face. I want to be here, man. You think they don't have anybody? I am here now. Come and do your worst.
Leave him,
every time, is this what you have been facing in this house? And you are not telling me?
That's how he has been treating me.
You should have allowed me to come and deal with this man. Who is he? Is he a task force to this family?
Hell.
Every time we come and stretch and give me the money. But why is this man so wicked and heartless? Eh? What does it derive in seeing people in pains?
Amadi never liked me. He was advising my husband to marry another wife when my husband was alive. Eh? I don't know what I did to Amadi. He just hated me for no just cause. I don't know what I did to him.
Papa loved us so much. He never did anything to hurt us.
Papa was a very good man. A man with a heart of gold. He did everything humanly possible to see Sister Dana through her university level, which even brought jealousy and hatred among his kinsmen. But it's well. It's well.
It's all right. I quite understand. Here is still your home. I have about 3 rooms vacant here. Make yourself comfortable. Yes.
Thank you.
Choose anyone you want.
Thank you so much, Nwanne.
Thank you, Uncle.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. We are very grateful.
It's still your house. Hey.
Bia Mbakwe, you have the guts to connive with your sister. And both of you sold my brother's land. Eh?
You are not ashamed of yourself. Amadi, whatever you sow today, you reap tomorrow. You think you can intimidate my sister and her daughter by chasing them out of the house? Thinking they have nobody. Listen to me, I have come to warn you. I am not dead yet. I am alive. So I am standing for them.
Okay. Are you the somebody they have?
Of course.
You look at yourself from head to toes and they believe you are somebody, or Macanton is it because of the empty tummy you have? You are nobody, you're not existing. Yes. Now, I was thinking you have something important to say that I will listen and consider, as in trying to defend yourself. Why both of you sold my brother's land? But if you don't have anything important to say for me to consider.
So you are trying to cover up yourself. Amadi, listen, let me tell you, I am not an ordained criminal like you who snatches people's property from them. Yes.
Why, but I want to ask you, why are you making so much noise?
Okay, I am making so much noise.
Yes, you have a problem. Noise making is your problem. Why are you barking like a mad dog?
Of course I should be.
People who are intelligent talk intelligently and softly.
Because who I am barking with is not a reasonable somebody. It's not as important as human being. So I should bark at a person.
That means you admitted you are a dog and a mad dog.
Of course I am. And that is why I've come to bark at you. So that you use your brain.
You don't even have. Talk of the one you want to use. I am telling you that. Even though you are vibrating like a confused masquerade, you can do nothing. Yes, big for nothing. The thing is, if you don't have anything important, like I said, I'm repeating myself, to convince me, for me to consider why you people sold my brother's land, if you don't have it to say, leave this place, go.
What if I refuse? What will you do?
If you refuse to go,
yes,
remain there.
Ordained criminal like you. Look at him.
I'm a decent human being.
Look at decent human being.
Knows me in this community.
Don't worry.
Human being. Amadi is a decent
You can
person.
go, but I will come back for you. Nelian, Okonko, Unoshi.
But you wouldn't have gone to say Amadi. Eh?
No. That man needs someone to talk some senses into him. Does he think you don't have anyone to speak for you? Or what?
I understand how you feel, but that's okay. It's okay. I know my God will fight for me. Oh?
If not for one thing, in fact, the old villagers will have gathered for us. I would have dealt with him.
Thank God you didn't go there to fight him. Because Emeka and his friend would have come to harm you. Thank God you didn't fight him.
Emeka? That small boy of yesterday. Don't worry. Let's leave the story for another day. I will answer that.
Biko, Ozugo. It's okay.
I will tell him that once a soldier is still a soldier.
Uduma, Onyinye cannot decide what happens in my family for me. It is not possible. Not even that her brother. No.
Amade, she has crossed her boundaries. Forgo Kiana.
Yes. She has crossed her boundaries. And she has also forgotten this saying. Now when you be able to know the bell. When a woman insists on seeing the extreme of her vagina, she will end up burying her forehead in the ground. If I ever see her legs in my compound again, I will teach her a lesson. A lesson she will never forget. I will teach her the difference between leprosy and the Hamatan fire. Yes. I will teach her what the spirits do with the ears of the rabbit.
She has crossed her bounds. Well, from the analysis you've given to me so far, I know she will never near your house or even enter your house. Never, she won't do that.
It's not possible.
And she's already out of the way. I am very happy for you, Amadi. I am happy, honestly.
Mananlo Manife.
I'm happy.
In the dream, in reality, she will never. Yes. I am going to sell my late brother's properties, but I would sell his house and every property therein. Makano na abundiji aputawa ahia. Ndeda baka ahia. If the yam sellers do not come to the market, then the cocoyam sellers will make much sales. Life goes on.
Ofuma. Amadi, my friend, you don't need any permission from anybody to do that. It's all yours. Ngi with any nena. Akaso you will listen. Obunka.
Thank you. Oh, that is right.
So Uncle Amadi sent us out of my father's house. So are you people telling me that a girl child is not important? After selling my father's land and he squandered it all, he sent Uncle Amadi, it shall never be well with you. It shall never be well with you.
Amen. It's okay, my dear. Who said a girl child is not important? Just relax your mind. You see, Amadi and his co-wicked evil forces will regret their actions soon.
Uncle, I just feel like traveling to Agumba and I want to look him in the face and ask him what exactly we have done to him. What have we done to this wicked man?
Adana, you don't have to go through all that process, traveling and going to talk to him. I know that my God will bless you girls and shame my enemies. Oh, don't worry.
Talking about God blessing us. I have good news.
Oh my God. This is good news. I'm so happy.
Good news indeed.
He's coming with his people tomorrow for the introduction, yes.
Hey, that means you have to go to Akumba and inform your father's
God forbid, Mama. God forbid. God forbid, Mama. I will never be manipulated by them again. Mama, we will not let them manipulate. For how long are they going to continue manipulating us? We can't let that happen. Please, nobody should take my joy away, Please,
She's right. Let's welcome them first, before letting them know what is happening.
Going to Agumba for what? God forbid. Uncle, thank you very much. Thank you.
It's okay. It's okay now. Don't kill me.
This good news is enough for us to be happy.
Yes, I'm so happy. How? My God is great. Amen. God has answered us again. Nemo, this one will come to stay.
Amen.
He must stay.
Amen.
Nothing will stop this marriage.
Amen.
Hey, your ring is beautiful.
Oh yes, I'm sure we are free. We are free. This is the sound.
Who is inside? Huh? Ndiago, Abiago. Huh? Where are our in-laws? They are right.
Still waiting for them. Yes.
Come.
I hope this is not what I am thinking.
Ogini, what is that?
Calm down. Everything will be, they are on their way. Everything will be alright.
Don't jump into
that.
conclusion yet.
See, don't think about that though. It will not happen again.
Everything is set. So.
Everything.
They are coming. Everything is ready. The garden egg, everything.
That's good.
It's alright. They will soon be. Today is your day.
How are you?
I'm from Mazi Bezim's family. I'm the secretary of the kindred. So I came to inform you people that they will not make it.
Why, Makaginism?
We lost someone very important this morning.
Hey! Someone important.
Ozokwa. Not again. Not again. Not again. Not again. Hell. Ọzọkwa no. Mbakwe. Omeme ọzọ.
Mba, omebe.
Mbakwe m ọzọ. Who did I offend? What has my children done? Kedify Melo. What have we done?
Papa, I need money because my business is not flourishing. My business is going down on a daily basis and it's not good. So, Biko, I need more money too.
And where do you want me to get the money from, Emeka?
Papa, you're confusing me. Which one is where do you want you to get? What are you talking about? You have land now. Huh? You have a land. You sell it and give me the money. After all, I'm the only son. I'm the only child. You sell the land. You give me money. Let me go and stock up my business.
You must be very, very stupid. Very stupid for coming here to ask for money. Yes. All the money I realized when I sold my brother's land, I gave to you. I did all I could to support your business, all to no avail.
Papa, sometimes you amaze me. I am talking about something seriously. Yeah, you're acting as if you don't know what I am talking about. You're a man like me. Eh? Are you not in this country? Don't you know what is going on in this country? Is it because you're in the village? Things are hard. Everything is expensive. Nothing is moving like before. Eh? One will hear you now and say you gave me the whole world. How much did you give to me? How much? Let's ask ourselves. 2 million. Eh? You gave me 2 million. What is 2 million in this era? How much is transport from here to Lagos? Or if I want to go to Abuja? Or if I want to go to Port Harcourt? Ego label transport.
Emeka, is this country your country or our country? No, I mean, is your own different? Is it not the same hardship that all of us are facing?
I am not everybody. I am not all of us. Eh? I am different. My name is Emeka. Emeka Lalala. Lalala means too much money. There must be money on ground. Too much money. Do something, Papa. The prayer of every man, every parent is for their children or their child to be greater than them. I am here with you, suffering. Instead of you to do something, you're telling me everybody's suffering the same thing. Do so. Why did you give birth to me? Huh?
Look, I have told you earlier. Don't make me repeat myself. There is no more thing to sell. Nothing. I've sold all I can sell. I did all I can to support you. I keep saying it. And you failed. All to no avail. Nothing to sell anymore. So, go and face your life.
Simple thing. That is why I'm your son. Because I'm very smart. Since there is nothing to sell again, what is this thing doing here? Sell this house. What is this? This house is useless because me, I cannot stay here. I have ambition. I have vision. I cannot live in this village. Sell this house is useless to me. You give me the money. Okay. Then you go to your father's house.
It's a good idea. I will sell this house and go to my father's house.
Fine.
Then when I sell this house, you go where?
I'll go to my house. My children will start coming to my house. I will.
Your house? Your children?
I will go to my house.
You are yet to have.
Yes, right? I will tell my children that their grandfather is a disappointment. You are a disappointment because you didn't take care of. You did nothing to show for.
Pray you get to my age, and pray you get to my level.
God forbid, I cannot get to your level. Mua, to your level. You don't know me. Emeka Lalala will think of your. How are you now? Why are you there for like this now? You get level. You get level. You don't have any money. You want me to be like you?
I have told you.
Ha.
Emeka, pray to get to my age. Pray to get to my level. Because
Papa, I will pass your level. And I will pass your age. Very big boy. I will pass your level. I will pass your age.
I will not blame you. You are a little boy. You think like a
Sell
little
this
boy.
house.
You
Simple
think
thing.
like a little boy. But I tell you this, if you make so much noise, there is always a karmic law, a lot of retribution.
Nothing is sabi. Only English is sabi. Money you no get. Rubbish. What is it? Don't get me angry. Oh. Sell this house and give me money. I need money to stock up my business. My business is going down. You're telling me I should do what? Give me my slippers and bed. Why did you give birth to me if you cannot take care of me?
Why did you take the slippers?
Why did you give birth to me?
Idiot.
Why did you give birth to me if you cannot take care of me? I'm gonna be father. You
get out here, idiot.
Okay, what is it now?
Please. Sorry. Why did you hate me so much? Why?
Why do I do what? Why do I what? Hate you? No, hate you as what? Okay, I do not hate you at all. It's just that I don't have time for this rubbish in Emekita. I don't have time for this. Biko, please. Hapukomaka. And that's it. Don't just stop me again, no. Inania, don't stop me again. What is it? Eh? What is your problem?
Babe, stay. Sorry. Please. Okay. I will come with my family. Official introduction, please.
It's not Guinea, sorry. Former what? Former Guinea, Former what? See. Okay. Please. I am warning you for the last time. If you stop me again to talk this rubbish, because I knew it from the day one, from when you started following me. I knew to always bounce to this rubbish of introduction. Now then, we see. Please count me out of it. Inania, if you stop me again, Ezioku, I will shout that you want to rape me. Inania, and the villagers will just come and gather and beat you up. Hapumaka, okay? Hapumaka, just leave me alone. Leave me alone. A warfare, marriage, with your Rastafari hair, stupid idiot.
I will collect to. No, no worries, sir.
Adania, when are you going back to the city?
Go where? No, Mama, go where exactly? Go and continue my suffering and humiliation? Mama, since we are cursed from getting married, then let's stay here. Let's stay here forever. This is our safe haven. Let's stay here.
Inania, Mama, we are remaining in this compound. I had that girl, Bob, we're not leaving this village. In fact, you know what, Mama, we're not even leaving this compound. We will remain inside this house.
Hey,
that's what the person wants, Abi. We will remain in this house.
Hey! Eh? Adania. Ada papaya.
Yeah. Mama, my mind is made up. We are going to stay here forever. I don't know about my sisters, but I am going to stay here forever. I can't continue. Mama, the heartbreak is too much. I can't go through it again. I can't.
You people should not treat me like... You people should not say things like this. People should stop saying it. Stop rejecting marriage, Biko. No. Eh? You will not stay in my house forever because
Mama, we will stay in this house forever. In fact, we will grow old in this house. I came from this house.
Hey!
Sister, are you going inside?
Mama, I will not leave this house. Hey! Wipe that mouth, Ngozika. Ada. You know you are the first daughter of Uchendu. And your siblings looks up to you. You are a graduate and a beautiful young girl. Yamaka.
Thank you, Mama.
See, let me tell you. Leaving your job in the city and coming to stay back here in the village is not the best option.
And what is the best option? Getting disappointed by young men? Mama, let me just tell you. Getting married is not in my scale of preference. It's not on my mind at all.
Adanna, stop it. Stop saying this. Eh? Getting married should not be out of your mind. Eh?
It has, Mama. I don't think I will ever give any man the opportunity to say a word to me.
Bikon, please. Please, I'm begging you, Adanna. You are discouraging your siblings, so.
Mama, it's not a discouragement. It is a reality with fact. I have something I'm doing inside.
Adanna, yeah? Come! Yay! What is this, for crying out loud? Eh? She doesn't want me to tell her anything about getting married again.
What is keeping this girl now? Eh? It will not even be funny walking under the sun. She should come out, Biko. Ngo!
Sorry. Yes, sorry. I was helping Mama to set the firewood for cooking. So sorry.
Hey, let's go. You know we're going to visit a camp, and you know how hot this sun is. Every time you'll be eating food, look at your buttocks.
So I food to bed now. Don't you want to eat when you come back?
Go.
You want to be if you now come back now, we'll now start looking for food. Sister, wait for me, Joe.
Wow, look at that. Oh my God. Is anybody seeing what I'm seeing?
I'm not blind.
Excuse me, beautiful princesses.
Hey, talk to us. Excuse me.
Why are they running?
I don't know. I'm as surprised as you were. Beautiful ladies like this.
I think you should turn around.
No, there must be something to this. There must be more to this.
No, we need to know more about those girls.
It's so unusual for beautiful girls as this to run away from men in the car.
Wow. Like I said, we need to know more about those girls.
I think I like the middle one.
You already selected?
The one on red. I like them.
Collins, come on, take it easy, yo.
Woo!
I think they're sisters.
No, Collins, I think I'll have to select first.
You are the boss, though, but I know your spec. I know what you like. I know you like them a bit chubby, not like the middle one. The middle one is just for me. That's my spec. The Lord knows that's my spec. The Lord knows that's my spec.
This one is quite short. I don't like short people.
There's no car coming now. As we stopped, the car stopped. Yes. We the car started moving again. I noticed it.
Are you sure?
No problem. I just hope it's not what I'm thinking.
That will not be what we are thinking, because me, I'm scared.
But sister, I enjoyed that food.
You finished everything.
Hey,
see that guy again. It is following us.
I don't think that this guy is following us again.
Maybe they are ritualists.
Yes, so they are ritualists. Let's walk.
Hey, what?
Mama, who is after you girls?
Mama, ritualists.
Why are you running?
Pursuing us. Ritualists. Mama, go inside, though.
Hey. Sister, that was close.
So, why were you running?
Mama, didn't you see that car parked outside?
I did not. So?
They were ritualists.
Ritualists were pursuing us. They were after our lives.
They were after our heads.
Yes.
What do you mean ritualists, Bikon? What do you mean ritualists? Is it when if you see a car driving, you will not conclude they are ritualists? What is it?
Mama, is it that you don't believe us or what? Mama, this one is different. They've been following us since morning. Since we left to Ekema's house, they've been following us.
What do you mean they've been following you since morning? They even followed you to Ekema's house?
Yes, Mama.
I don't know why Mama is doubting us. Mama, it's not funny.
So if you now see a man that drives car, you conclude the person is a ritualist.
Mama, you don't understand. This guy has been following us since we left this house.
Yes, Mama. Don't tell me you girls are so primitive because you saw a big car, you now jump into conclusion.
Mama, thank God for our lives too.
Very
like
big
this.
car.
Thank God for our lives.
Very big car.
We are happy like this.
I'm telling
just
you.
Leave us alone. No. These are our innocent heads. You should just leave us alone.
Especially my own.
Adana.
Primitive. You're very primitive.
Biko, please, what about Ekema that you went to visit?
She's fine.
Mama, I ate jollof rice.
Akbele, I know you will go there and eat.
Mama, her baby is so beautiful.
Oh my God.
I know, Ekema is beautiful herself. Her baby will be beautiful too.
Adana.
Uncle.
Your mother told me that you want to come and stay here with us in the village.
Yes, Uncle. I am tired of everything happening to us. So I just want to be here until I can figure out what next to do.
But let me also remind you that there is no good job here in the village. And as a result of that, I don't think you can find any good relationship here.
Uncle, that's what I'm saying. I am not interested in getting married now. I'm not ready for it yet.
Anyway, who am I to say no if it's okay by you?
It's okay, Uncle. Let me go and get you your food.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, Uncle. Thank you.
Honestly, Mama, that is why I came.
Seeing my daughter is not the problem right now.
Now, what seems to be the problem?
She wouldn't want to talk to you.
But why?
She has gone through a lot in the past and she needs time to heal from her wounds.
Well, Mama, I promise to rewrite all the wrongs and put smiles on her face once again.
You won't understand. Just go home and come back next time.
It's okay, Mama. Please help me talk to her. Tell her that my intentions are not negative.
I will talk to her.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
I shall be on my way now.
It's okay. Thank you very much.
Mama, please. Tell whoever he is that I am not interested in whatever he's coming here for. Please.
I don't know, why are you being so hard on yourself?
I am not interested, Mama. Achoramia, I don't want him to come here again. Please, you shouldn't come here again. I don't want to see him here again.
I don't know, stop this thing you're doing. Stop it. You have to move on with your life.
That is exactly what I am doing. I am moving on with my life. Please, I am moving on with my life in peace. Achomia.
Is this the way you want to move on with your life?
I don't want him.
Adana, come and listen to me. Come and listen to what I have to say. Hey. She says she's moving on with her life. Is this the way she will move on with her life, Bikon? Do you know that I prayed last night? I committed this traditional marriage to God. As a matter of fact, I'm even fasting right now. I've not tested anything. So that God will help me and break this curse so that people will think, those that think that my daughters will not get married, they will see today that it's going to happen. They will come. This one will hold.
I've done many consultations as well. And they said everything will be all right.
Everything will be all right.
We should wait. They will come. Okay, I should come where?
There's a problem.
What is the problem?
There's a problem. The family coming for Ifoma's hand in marriage, they had an accident and they all died.
Hey! Chima! Mama, what is it? Mama, what is it?
What happened, Choma? What happened? The family coming for Ifoma's hand in marriage, they had an accident on their way coming and they all died.
Died what?
I told Mama that this marriage thing is not for us. Now look at this sudden news. Look at this sudden news again. Okuda Fugo.
Why? Now that someone has finally decided to come and marry me. He died on his way coming to this place. Why is this happening? Oh God, why?
Hell, name. Look at Mama. Mama is in shock. Eh? Who have we offended? Because you just forgive us. Who have we offended now? This is getting too much.
Well, as for Mama, our situation is not that bad at all. At least she can speak now. She can talk.
I will never let this happen again. I will never let it happen again. From us to go, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
God, come and help us. God, come and help us. Oh.
If you cry from now till tomorrow, he will not come back. Just put yourself together.
My daughter, it's okay, it's all right. Eh? It is not the will of God to let bad thing happen to good people. But God has purpose for everything that happens to anyone in life. So wipe your tears. Ogadema. Ogadema.
Good afternoon. Are you all right? Good afternoon, dear. Mama, what is going on?
It's a long story. And I know you won't want to hear it.
I'm all ears, Mama.
Adanda, what is it? Is it not that Ken again? He's here again.
Is that why you're angry? Just go out there and tell him to leave.
I don't want to talk to him. I don't want to talk to anybody.
He's coming now. He's coming now. When it's time for traditional marriage, you will not see him again.
Don't mind that fool. He goats. They're all the same. All of them, they're the same. Foolish people.
Sister, don't worry. Stay here. When he's tired, he will use his two stupid legs and leave this place.
Good.
Just stay there.
See, yesterday like this, I pin, I gum. I know they move my body. I'm here. I'm not going anywhere.
Useless man.
Mama, the other day, you refused to tell me what the problem is. When I spoke with Uncle Mbakwe, he told me everything that happened. If that is the case, we need to start looking for solutions. It's teaching time, they say saves 9.
Seriously, I am so confused. I don't even know what else to do anymore. I am tired.
To prove my love for your daughter and the entire family, I will go in search of solutions, no matter what it takes.
Should we do that for us?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I would want Adana, your daughter, to know that my love is here to stay. And I will do everything humanly possible to find solutions.
Thank you.
Don't bother yourself, Mama. I would want you to have this money.
This money from me.
Yes, Mama.
Thank you so much. God bless you.
Yes, amen. Take care of yourself, Mama.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Papa, I will kill you here and still sell this house since you have refused to give me money. Eh? You want to rig me, Akwaya? You want to rig me?
Where do you want me to get the money from? No, which money are you asking me of again? I've sold everything I should sell. I gave you the money. I even sold my late brother's land and gave you all the money. What else do you want?
Oh, you think I'm joking, Akwaya? Eh? Old man, you think I'm joking? I will shoot you. This is real gun. I will shoot you here now. You die. And I will still sell this house. Eh? Sell this house and give me money in the market. I will shoot your eye. I'm not joking with you. Listen, I'm giving you just 24 hours. In fact, 48 hours. 2 days. I'm giving you just 2 days. If I don't see that money, Papa, if you don't sell this house or give me money to start up my business, I will shoot you. You will die. You know me too well. I'm not joking with you. And I can never joke with you. Sell this house and give me the money, or I kill you. Sell this house and still take the money. I need money on ground.
From where?
You asking me from where?
Money from where?
Oh, you think I don't have a bullet in my gun? I will shoot you. I will shoot you now, this man. I need money. 24 hours. Go here now. Why if you go here now? 24 hours. In fact, 48 hours. Don't worry. 48 hours. 48 hours.
Hey, my husband. Your son is going mad though.
Is he not your son?
Sorry, our son.
Your son.
But he said he will kill you and sell this house.
It is you he will kill.
No, he said you. How can he kill me? Am I Oyi?
Am I
I don't know if you're Oyi, I'll be inside.
The handle's gone now. How? From where? For what? This is abnormal.
Mama, I will not listen or pay attention to any man. Please, I don't want to see that man here. I don't want to see him.
Adan, why are you so stubborn? What is wrong with you? Eh? Adan, listen. Ken has promised to help us out of this situation.
Mama, I don't care. I don't give 10 flying. I don't care. Mama, can you just leave her alone? She doesn't care. Leave her alone. Mama, see, listen. We are tired of this marriage disappointment. We are tired. You know what? As it is right now, we are happy being single. Happy I can yourself. Is it forced to get married?
I said God forbid it. You are happy being single? Ole. I said God forbid.
Mama, let me just tell you, if I see that man in this house again, the next time I see him, what I will do to him, I will give him the embarrassment of his life. If he remembers my name, he will shout. Just tell him not to come here again. As I've told you. Take Mama inside. Mama, let's go inside. Mama, let's go inside.
Go inside where?
Go and sleep now.
I don't want to sleep. I don't want to sleep. I will not sleep. I am not going you to join them and leave this place. Please go and sleep.
I want to remain single too, sir.
Hey!
Mama! Are you okay?
What are you coming to do?
Sorry!
People are looking for who to kill in this house. You will not kill me. You will not succeed. All of you will get married and get out of this house. You want me to come and share this house, my brother's house, with you people?
Amade, why will your own son threaten to kill you?
I don't know.
I've done all I could to make that boy useful in life, to make him successful, to make him responsible, all to no avail. I don't know what else to do.
What does he want you to do?
Emeka wants me to sell my own house and give the money to him.
Abomination. Why will he ask you for church?
I don't know. I don't know. I am confused. Honestly, Emeka was the person that made me to sell my late brother's house. I sold my late brother's properties, but I gathered money from different places and gave to Emeka. As we speak, I have given more than 4.5 million naira to Emeka. Within 7 months, yet I have not seen anything. He is still asking for more money.
In that case, there's more to the business he's doing.
I don't know, Udume. Honestly, I'm confused at this point. I'm so confused. I don't know where else to run to.
Amadi, my friend, I am speechless. Our people say when the frogs have much water in their mouth, they cannot hop again, but they cross. I sense big problem, trouble, big one.
Yes, this is more than a normal trouble you can expect from a youth. Emeka has pushed me beyond the wall. That boy has set me on a high jump.
Then learn how to jump now. I am going, you know.
What do you mean?
It's your own job now. Jump!
Allow me to go do that.
My sister said she is not interested. Please, do us a favor and leave our compound. What are you still standing here doing? Eh? Is it by force? Is it by force?
Please go in there and call your sister.
I will not call
me.
my sister for you. That serves you right. That serves you right. I have told you I am not interested in this marriage. I am not interested in this marriage. Go and look elsewhere. Let me tell you something, Oga. I am not desperate. I am not desperate. Okay, I don't want. She says she don't want. Carry your broom. Bring that broom. Bring that broom. Bring that broom. What's my cholo? She doesn't want. Swim. 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 I don't want. Go. Useless man. Next time I will use paper and point on you. Just added almost to this thing now. Why? Fool. You're pouring him clean water. Okay, go now. What are you doing here? Is it by force of medicine? See what now? Eh?
Who does that?
Because it is your head that does that. It is your head that does that. Every time who does that? Who does that? It's your head that does that.
Mama, what I did to you is just the tip of an iceberg.
Yes. I'm telling you the truth. If he comes here again, I'll pour pepper on him.
Adania, take it easy. Take it easy.
Weli and Wayo. You see, that young man means no harm to us. Giddy, why are you so angry like
Mama,
this?
it's not Miss Guinea. Miss no harm. How? Mama, I don't even know what you're talking about. These men, all these useless men, they pretend to be serious and fails tomorrow. Inako means no harm. They're all the same, Mama.
Ngozika, he's different. This man is different and he's serious.
Mama,
can't you see?
Mama, were you there to see the seriousness and willingness on the others that failed? We are the ones to tell you. We are the ones to tell you the truth, Mama. Please, Biko, don't want that man not to come back here for his own good. Tell him not to come back here. Sister, it is okay. But pouring water on him was harsh. It was too harsh.
It's not, Guinea.
Ango.
It's too harsh. So, you like it. How we've been suffering for men. You like it.
Did I say I like it?
I'm not even surprised, self. You know, like mother, like daughter. Let me tell you something. You see that idiot. If I see his leg here again, very hot water. Useless men.
Relax.
Sit. Just hold it there. Fools. Ngozi. Stupid men. Ngozika.
Bye, girl.
Problem?
How are you?
I'm fine.
Arrange your face now. Hold on. It is not every man that stop you on the way wants to say that thing that you don't want to listen. Come.
What is that thing that I don't want to listen? I don't understand. What's going on? Why would you stop me on the way and start talking rubbish?
Calm down.
Ogini.
I am not a stranger. You know me in this village.
I know you, so speak out. Ogini, what is it?
I am a gentleman. And everybody in this community knows me that I'm a no-nonsense person.
Can you just see I'm in a haste? Can you just be fast?
I want to give you information that will help you.
Be fast. Ozi Kamnaga, be
fast. No, when somebody wants to give you information, you listen first. Am I batting you? One problem I have is that I don't like it seeing people intimidate each other. I don't like it.
And who is intimidating anybody here?
Your elder sister.
Did what?
That's why I say calm down. Let me give you
information
that will help you.
What did my
you
sister
see the
do?
problem people are having in your family. It is not.
Sorry, which problem?
Do you want to argue with me?
Which problem now? I don't understand what you're saying.
Okay, let me break it down. The problem of not getting married or being disappointed at the 11th hour, it is not general. The only person that has that problem in your family is Adana. Adana now in return went and did something so that you and your small sister will not get married before her. That thing is very bad and I don't support evil.
My sister went to do something so that I and Ifeoma will not get married before her. I don't understand what you're saying.
What don't you understand? That your sister did something that is holding you and your sister down from getting married. Are you asking me?
Oga Sunday, how did you get this information, please?
The same place, the juju man that is giving me automobo. That's the same place she went and did the something. Without knowing that me and the Wandibia, we are very close.
So if I call you in front of my sister to repeat what you just said, Oga Sunday, will you?
Who is your sister? The question should be, can I come before the Igwe and say what I said and you're telling me who is Adana that I cannot stay in front of her and tell her what she did that is wrong? I said the man that is giving me IPA, the Libya, the uncle that is giving me IPA, that is the same place she... Oh, I don't know about dog.
No problem. No problem. I've heard what you said. No problem. Shebi, you will be in front of us and you repeat everything you just said.
In fact, call your sister and her ancestors. I'll come before them and say it. I can even say before Igwe.
No, please stop shouting. It's okay. Thank you. I've heard you.
God bless you. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Just don't tell her that, you know, the news is somehow. Don't say it outside. Just deal with her one-on-one. What nonsense. Ifeoma.
Yes.
Are you aware that you are a pretty damsel?
Yeah. Is that why you started?
No. I want to ask you. Are you aware that you are very, 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 very beautiful? Just look at you. Look at the natural endowment.
Bia, Oga Sunday, if you have anything to say, Biko, go straight to the point. You can say I was going somewhere before you stopped me.
Take it easy. You see, this life is very simple. If you rush it, you have problem. Now, the question I want to ask you is, have you wondered why you are still single with all this beauty? Are you even aware that we have so many people married in this community that are not even wanted close to your beauty?
Oga Sunday, how is it your business?
That is why...
How is it your business, Oga Sunday?
I want to tell you why it is my business. Just
Biko, just... It's like you are going mad. Like this, if If you are the wrong man.
You see, hold on, let me tell you, I want to give you information. This is one problem I have with you young girls. If somebody stop you, you cannot pay attention and know if this person is talking sense or nonsense.
Okay.
Just calm down.
I am down.
The problem you people are having, problem of not getting married. Do you know who is the cause? Your elder sister Adana. Yes! Adana did something.
So I'm a chonugi here. Adana did what? What did Adana do?
You see the problem. I am trying to tell you.
It's like you want to cause problem in my family. Take your time, oh. I am warning you. Oga Sunday, take your time. Don't bring your problems to my family.
Okay.
Biko.
There is no problem. I think
Biko.
I just made a very big mistake by stopping you to give you this information. I think it's a mistake, but I will not regret it. Because me, Sunday, everybody in this community knows me. I'm a man of truth. I have this information and I said I cannot come and die with it inside. I must say it. But since you don't want to listen, I don't have any problem. But if you care to know, your sister Adana did something so that you and Ngosika will not get married before her. See, let me tell you what gossip is. If I tell you and ask you not to tell anybody or don't call me so that they will not come and ask me, are you sure? That is gossip. But I am telling you to go and say it anyway and call me, I'll come and defend it. I am telling the truth. The one that did the juju, the sham for her, is the same person that is giving me a echo into a business. Look at it. I'm a joker. So you can call me anytime, anywhere. If you like, call Igwe or no, or even your sister and her ancestors. I will face them one-on-one and say it. I'm sure of what I'm saying. So, I have given you the information. If you want to use it, if you don't want to use it, I move. Thank you and God bless you.
I don't understand what you're saying.
Okay, let me break it down. The problem of not getting married or being disappointed at the 11th hour, it is not general. The only person that has that problem in your family is Adana. Adana now in return went and did something so that you and your small sister will not get married before her. That thing is very bad and I don't support evil. See, let me tell you what gossip is. If I tell you and ask you not to tell anybody or don't call me so that they will not come and ask me, are you sure? That is gossip. But I am telling you to go and say it anyway and call me, I'll come and defend it. I am telling the truth. The one that did the juju, the sham for her, is the same person that is giving me a echo into a business. Look at it. I'm a joker. So you can call me anytime, anywhere. If you like, call Igwe or no, or even your sister and her ancestors. I will face them one-on-one and say it. I'm sure.
I am worried. I have been thinking about something.
What is it?
Do you know Oga Sunday? Oga Sunday now.
Of course I know Oga Sunday. Yeah, Ifoma. Mba, ya kwa him neche. Don't tell me Oga Sunday told you exactly what he said to me.
About Adana.
Hey! Oga Sunday told me that Adana, our sister, our own blood sister, went to meet a native doctor, go marry a juju, so that both of us will not get married in this compound. So that we will stay here while she gets married. So that we will not first start to get married in this compound. Oh, hey! Maggie, is this something he told you?
Oga Sunday told me exactly the way it is. Adana, where did we go wrong now? Why does she want to transfer her calamity upon us?
Ifoma, we did not go wrong in any way. Our sister is just wicked.
Hey!
Wickedness is in her blood. Just imagine sister that we've been treating nicely in this compound. Sister. We have loved her because she's our elder sister. Thinking good, wishing good for her. And what did she do in return? Ogai meets a native doctor so they can do medicine for her. So that both of us will not get married in this compound. So she can live and will remain here, single. Omanle. Omanle! I will so deal with sister, eh? I will so deal with sister if she hears someone calling Ngozika again. Or also, this has to don't enter us. Our sister. Alright.
What is getting me more convinced is the fact that Ogason, they said he can say the same thing in front of sister. Even before the Igwe and our kingsmen. Exactly. He even said that he can take us to this place, the same place Adanna did the charm.
Exactly what he told
I don't know what is all this now.
Exactly what that man said. That means for that man to say that means that everything he's saying is the truth. Una, Amambai! Una Mambanyo! Una, Amambai! Hey! Mama! Of course I'll feed you air for you. Trust. Go check him out. We'll feed on you.
What are you doing here? I thought you were supposed to go and fetch water.
Yeah, because just check this side, oh. We'll feed them.
Nothing.
Thank you.
Ifoma. Don't touch me. I'm not talking to you. But have you seen?
Adanna, if you dare touch any of us here, I came from the villagers. They'll gather for us in this house. What is it? Ogini, must we answer you? Whoa. As what now? Because see,
Go! Leave us alone.
Check this side.
My beautiful sister. It's fine. You're beautiful. Yes, you're so beautiful. Most beautiful sister in the world.
Check this side.
It's fine. It's fine.
I know. You know what? Very soon I'll start plating your effort.
Thank you. I trust you.
They must answer you. As what? Nwa King. Wicked sister. Idiot. Nebiko, break my hair.
You're fine like this.
I'm fine, Abby.
Mama, I don't like what my sisters are doing. Oh.
What is it? I went to call them that we should go and fetch water. The way they spoke to me like, Mama, I will kill somebody. I will kill somebody.
Adanna, kill who?
I will kill somebody.
Want
I don't
to
like the way they're talking to me.
You will kill somebody. You want to kill your sisters.
Mama,
what is the problem?
Mama,
I
have noticed for some days that they've been giving me attitude. I don't know what I've done to them.
It's okay. Is that why you are crying?
I don't like it. See the way Ngozika was talking to me in front of Ifoma.
It's okay, Adanna. Don't worry. I will call them. I will talk to them. Let me know what the problem is.
Talk to them. I don't like it, Mama. I don't like it.
Biko, no, Adanna. Biko, just calm down. I will handle it. Oh? Biko, do you people want to just put me into trouble? Do you want to kill me? When did this one start? They no longer talk to you. How? I didn't raise you girls up like this.
Go say it. Mama.
Ifoma. Mama. What is the problem? What is going on? See, for some days now, I've noticed that you've not been talking with your elder sister. What is it? Ngozika, talk to me.
Mama, now, I don't like the way you're calling Ngozika. I'm not just the only one here. Ifoma is here. Call her name for once. Besides, Mama, as you can see, I'm not in a good mood today. Please, I don't have anything to say. If you have anything to say, please tell Mama so her mind can calm down. As for me, Ngozika, I don't have anything to say. And Mama, please don't call my name again.
Yeah. Ngozi, I will still call you again. Because I will keep calling you. Tell me what the problem is. You don't want to tell me. You say I shouldn't call you. Why? You don't know that as your mother, if anything is the matter amongst you, it is me that you call. And I will come and settle things. I didn't raise you girls up like this.
I didn't raise you up like this. Explain to her. If there's anything to explain, for me, I don't have anything.
Mama, We are adults. And there are certain things we would love to settle by ourselves without involving you, just like the adults we are.
Ezioku.
Yes, Mama.
You are adults.
Mama, Maka, your health though, leave this matter. Besides, Adana that came to report something to you should have been bold enough to tell you what she did. If she couldn't say anything, that means there is no problem.
So why are you bothering yourself?
Ngozika, that is why I called you girls to talk to you to know what the matter is. It is true that she came to report to me that you people are not in good times again. So you want me to fold my hands and watch you people. And I'm asking you, Ngozika, and you, Ifoma, you open this your mouth and tell me that you are matured enough to handle things amongst you. Why? Who told you that?
Mama, are we not matured?
What makes
Mama,
you think
are
you
we
are
not
matured?
matured?
If you're matured, you would have known how to handle issues.
Mama,
you would have known that
now.
you come and tell me your mother first.
Mama, I don't know why you like disturbing yourself. That is why we say you should not get involved because of your BP. Mama,
I don't have BP. This is the matter that will even give me BP. Come and tell me so that we'll know how to settle things. And you are doing this. You think I will be happy? I did not raise you girls up like this, oh. I brought you up in unity, in one accord. You are the only thing I have. If you start quarreling now and spoiling things, how do you want me to live this my
Mama,
life?
if Adane can go and meet you and tell that we are quarreling, she should also have the gut to tell you what caused the quarrel.
That is why you, Ngozi, should open your mouth and tell me.
No, okay. She will come and tell you half. I'll come and tell you half. Mama, who does that?
It's okay, Mama.
Who does that?
Because of your health. Because we can settle it ourselves. Don't worry. In fact, there is no problem.
Is this the way you want to settle it? Is this the way?
Mama.
Is this the way? Boy, for my Ngozi, is this the way?
What is wrong with you? Leave me alone,
Leave me alone.
If you touch her again, if you see again, I will deal with you. I will deal with you. I will deal with you. Leave her alone. Leave her alone. Stop it, girl. What is it? Touch her again. No, come and touch her again. What is wrong with you?
I begged you.
You're fighting me.
Yes.
She will fight you. She will fight you. They're fighting me.
Please.
Shame on you.
Somebody should help me.
Mama, let me stand up now. Let me stand.
Somebody help us! Somebody help!
Mama, because we are sorry, we will not fight again. Mama, we will not fight. Mama, we will not fight. Hey! Mama.
Mama, I will not fight again.
Hey!
I will not fight again.
Mama, wake up!
I will not fight again.
Mama, wake up!
I don't know what have I done. Ngozika, Mama, what did I do to you guys? And you guys are treating me like this? Can you hear me? Adana, I begged you. I begged you, Adana. Ngozika, I begged. You refuse to listen to me, and you people want to kill me. What did I do? Upon all my sufferings to raise you guys up well, to take care of you, and still, look at what you turned around to do to me. You turned yourself to enemies. I called you and asked you didn't tell me anything reasonable. I called and asked you said nothing. I look at it, you people want to kill me. Since your father died, I have suffered single-handedly to raise you girls up. You are not happy, Adanda. Adanda, you cannot take care of your younger sisters. He said you choose to fight.
Oh, Mama, you know I'm not a fighter.
You people want me to die? Tell me so that I will go and meet my husband.
Mama, don't say that. Mama, don't say that.
If you don't want me, you people should just tell me, let me go to my parents' house or carry my bags and go anywhere and stay. I will leave you people at that now.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Because forgive me. You know, naturally, I will not fight anybody. But my sisters have been giving me attitude. My sisters, what have I done? What have I done to you two? Even if I have done something, if I've wronged you, can't you forgive me? Can't you? We have been living in peace. All of a sudden, you started fighting me. I've not done anything wrong. What have I done?
Sister, you did us wrong. You did us wrong, sister. Mama, sister is wicked.
What did I do?
Sister went to meet native doctors so they can do charm. So that I and Ifeoma will not get married. Mama, is it fair? Is it fair? Yes, you did that. Oh, female. Oh, female. Is that not wickedness? Is that not wickedness?
Why will you say a thing like that? I've never ever gone to any native doctor. I don't know any native doctor's house.
Mama, how will you say a thing like that? Who told you
Mama,
that?
that was what she did.
Ifeoma.
Yes, Mama.
Who told you guys that?
It's Oga Sunday that told us.
Oga Sunday?
Yes, he said that the native doctor came to tell him that sister Adana went to meet him to do charm so that I and Ifeoma would not get married.
Kosika, you believed him? Ifeoma, you both believed Oga Sunday one?
Yes, that was sister did.
I don't know why you've decided not to pay attention to me. I've been begging you, pleading with you, flowing you up and down just to accept me as your boyfriend.
As my boyfriend.
Uh-huh.
Sunday, I don't want. I am not interested though.
No, let me ask you why.
What do you mean by why? Are you not the one that they said is married?
Being married or not is not the problem here. The problem is you considering what we will share.
What we will share? Like what?
Love.
Which love? That you are a married man.
I am not married. I planned getting married, but it failed.
It failed because of your bad character. You are a very wicked person. I heard your gist. Yes, you have a bad character and you need to change so that you get a good woman. As for me, Adana, I am not interested. Achorom, I don't want to.
No, you'll be interested though. You'll be interested though. No. Where is this bad character coming from? Me that people are rushing.
People are rushing you?
People are rushing me.
Okay, what are you doing with me?
I am rushing you. They rush me, I rush you.
I don't want Achoromia. I don't want. I don't want it, please. How where I'm going to?
I am not begging you. Are you thinking that I'm begging you? We must date, oh. You must be my girlfriend, oh. This one you are doing initial gra. It will not work. We must date.
Or else what?
Me, I don't know. I have said my own. You must be my friend.
I don't just have your time.
I will frustrate you, Adana.
You will frustrate me.
You don't know me, Sonny.
You will frustrate me, you.
You will cry, oh.
Me, I will cry.
I will deal with you.
You are the one that is going to cry.
I will deal with you if you don't accept this offer of mine. Nonsense. You will cry, oh. You are not interested, Adana. A whole me, Sonny. You are not interested. And you won't get back.
Sunday! That village loafer, Mama, he was asking me out. Oh. He said that he wants me to be his girlfriend, and I told him that I don't want anything to do with him. And then he now said that he was going to deal with me. I have never for one day, thought of hurting my own sisters. So somebody will come from outside and tell you people something, you will believe it. You will believe it. How can you do this to me?
How can you believe what people will tell you?
It sounded so true. It sounded so true.
That's your sister. Don't stop with your sister. You jumped into conclusion,
Mama, it sounded so true, sister. We are sorry.
What makes you think that your sister will go this far, Ngozi? Ngozi.
Help. Please, we are sorry. We are so sorry, please.
Because
I will never do anything to hurt my sisters.
I believe you. I believe you. You are my daughter. I know you will not do a thing like that. I'm so sorry.
We chose to believe a stranger than our sister. Because
sorry.
I feel very comfortable sitting down here. Thank you so much, my son.
You're welcome, Mama.
God bless you.
Amen.
Thank
Amen.
you.
I'm happy you like it.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Mama, I would want you to help me talk to your daughters. Yes, let them come with me so we can go see a seer. She might be of help.
Okay. A seer? What do you mean by she might be of help?
You see, my dear, as a matter of fact, to me, it is obvious that what's happening in your family is not ordinary.
I don't get it. Are you trying to say we are possessed?
No, my dear, no. Far from it. That's not what I meant. I mean, try to understand me.
If you are here to mock us, I'll advise you leave and never return.
Stop it, Ifeoma. Stop it. Mind your language. Don't you have manners anymore? Please, I'm very sorry. I'm sorry for her actions. Please.
It's okay, Mama. Just help me, please. Talk to them.
I will talk to them.
Shall be on my way now.
Thank you.
Yes. Take care, Mama.
Thank you. Hell. Ifeoma! Ifeoma!
Who invited that man into my personal life? Into our personal lives? Who invited him?
Mama and Uncle Mpakwe told him everything.
What? Mama, I saw the willingness and seriousness in him. So, I knew he was ready to stand for Adanna. That was why I told him everything that has happened.
Mama, you met Royano. You didn't do it well.
Okay.
Mama, I am disappointed. How could you do this? How could you do this to us now? Why? Well,
Adanna, because shut up.
Mama, I'm disappointed.
Please mind the way you talk to me. I'm still your mother. What have I done wrong here? How do you expect me to be happy? I am more concerned in this issue that my 3 matured, beautiful daughters are in the house without getting married. And you want me to be happy? It troubles me too now. What do you want me to do?
Mama, so the best thing to do was for you to run to a total stranger. A total stranger. He got call here everything. He went and split everything to a total stranger, Mama. That was the best thing you could do. Mama, I met her.
I had no option. I needed to talk to somebody. What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? Mama, you guys should understand me now. You people should try to understand me.
It's okay, Mama. Sorry. We are sorry.
Yeah. Mama, it's okay. I don't know what else you girls want me to do.
I think Mama is right. His stubbornness has proven that he is willing to help us. Mama can never deceive us. Like the saying that goes, what an elder sees sitting down, a little child won't see it, even if he climbs the biggest Iroko tree. I think I have to listen to him. No, I have to listen to him and know if he's saying the truth about the seer. Indeed, we need help because it can't continue happening. Even if it's man-made, we can stop it once and for all.
It's all good, Mama. It's all good. I'm happy to hear this.
Yes, thank
Yes, and I hope you take a lot of fruits.
you. Yes, I take fruit and vegetables.
Nice. And which one in particular, Mama?
I prefer watermelon and apple.
It's all good. When next time coming, I'll sure bring more.
Thank you so much.
Mama, I have to leave.
So soon?
Yes, Mama. I wouldn't want to be embarrassed like the other day.
Hey.
Yes, Mama.
Excuse me. Are you on your way home?
Oh, yes. As a matter of fact, I have something very important to attend to.
Mama, have you offered him anything? Cola nuts? I can go and get it. Let me go get it.
No, some other time. Some other time.
Okay, if you insist, let me see you off.
Huh?
Let me see you off.
Okay. Mama, take care of yourself.
I'm sorry for what happened the other time.
Well, it's okay. I don't blame you for your actions. Some things are just meant to happen.
Mama mentioned something about you taking us to the seer.
Oh, well, yes. You see, I had to make some inquiries after she told me everything that happened.
Can this seer help us?
Erema is a powerful spiritualist. I wouldn't want to say anything further until we get there.
I never really asked you your name.
My name is Ken Ichuku. My friends call me Ken. I already know yours, Adanna.
You should. I mean, Mama must have told you. Anyways, thank you for the care and the money you've been giving to my mother.
You're welcome. Think about it and get back to me, okay? All right.
Bye.
Take care.
Bye-bye. Hey.
We will pay the seer a visit tomorrow.
I understand that I have been wrong in my judgment towards Ken. You see, I see the willingness in him to help us. I think we should give him a chance.
Wow. Sister, I am so happy to hear this. Thank you.
Listen, it's our problem. And he has agreed to help us. So let's welcome him and fight this with the last blood in us. Let's fight it with him.
100% committed.
I am a fulfilled woman now. Thank you so much. Adana, thank you. Thank you for making me proud always. Thank you, girls. I'm so happy. God bless you all.
I chose to look at you because you are the cause of the predicaments that has befallen you.
I don't understand.
Two things are the cause of the marriage disappointment.
Great seer, please, what exactly is the problem? Tell us, please.
Both are from you.
I
I can't remember anything, Gracia. Please tell us what the problem is.
Olilamu ebune. GBO. Years ago, you went to Kamala River. Millionaire. And you pleaded. You made a promise that if you are blessed with the fruit of the womb, she will come back to appreciate. Did you fulfill that promise?
Not at all, Gracia. No.
Onye na-amara ebe mmiri si wee mwabe ya, ama mwa na ebe o si wee kwụsị. You have to go back to Kamala River. Go back! And while going, go with sacrificial items. When you get there, plead like you did before. Make the sacrifice. Afterwards, come back for the second phase of your program.
Gracia, we will do as you've instructed.
Thank you, Gracia. Thank you.
Thank you so much for today.
You don't have to thank me.
Honestly, thank you.
I did it for love. I haven't done anything yet. Excuse me. Okay. Okay. Here is 100,000 naira. Take it. I believe this will help in purchasing the items that will be needed to appease the deity.
Thank you, sir. Thank you
It's
so
okay.
much.
It's nothing. Come on.
Thank you.
More than that.
Thank you.
And here is my card. Call me the moment everything is bought.
Thank you so much.
It's okay.
I appreciate this money.
It's okay. Call me, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Remember, stitching time saves time.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you very much.
But you never know. No matter what you're going through.
It wasn't my fault. Your uncle insisted and advised your father to get another wife after years of marriage without conceiving. I was hopeless. I don't know what else to do. That was why I decided to visit the ancient shrine of fertility so that I can bear your father a child.
Listen to me, my brother. This is your 8 years. 8 years of marriage, and yet there is nothing to show for it. No matter how you love your wife, she cannot give you children. And for that reason, you need to send her packing. Uchendo, it's been years. Years uncountable that you got married to this your wife that has refused to give you children. What then are you waiting for if not to send her packing back to her parents?
Amadi, I strongly believe that someday my wife will conceive. Yes.
When is the someday? No, tell me, when is the someday? Is the someday going to come when you are old? Listen to me. For the fact that she cannot give you children, she needs to go back to her parents. I need nephews and nieces.
Amadi, I cannot send my wife packing. I can't send my wife away. I love I love Onyinyechi so much.
Who is talking about love here? If her love is as productive as you claim it is, then let her serve you a plate of love. A plate of love that will provide children. Listen, this compound need children. I need nieces, I need nephews. You need these children even more. A time will come when you become old and these children are the people that are going to take care of you at old age. Since she cannot give you children, send her packing. Let her go.
Madi, I've heard you. I'll think about it. For now, excuse me.
Just look at. I don't know what this girl did to you, how she brainwashed you that you cannot think about any other thing.
That was why I took the decision upon myself and I visited the great Kamala River so that I can conceive pure children.
It is okay, Mama. We will go and fulfill the promise. Well, all thanks to Ken and you, Mama, for accepting and welcoming Ken even when we refused. Thank you.
Gods of our land, the chi of fertility, we have come to the great Kamala River to show appreciation for opening my womb and giving me this beautiful daughter standing beside me. We have got to say thank you. Receive all our offers because you deserve them all. We are here to beg for forgiveness in any way that I have sinned against you or go against my promises. Please, for the sake of these daughters you gave to me, forgive us. Forgive us. And temper justice with mercy. Accept all my supplications and have mercy on me and my children. We seek for your protection. Do not let any evil befall us. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you because I know you have accepted our cries and supplications. Take this. Take this white chalk. It's a symbol of peace. Give us peace. This is alligator pepper. We call it osoji. Osoji adire ejiji fele. Bikono. Iwe gidi oku ya najua. Treat our cause with mercy. It is orgy. Ah!
Sincerely, it's been a while I had such a delicious meal.
Do you know who prepared it? My sister Dana. Asked you. Food Republic. Didn't you hear him say the food is delicious?
Oh yes, I can testify to that.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
We want to say thank you so much for everything you've done for us. We're so grateful.
Oh, I did it for us, us.
Did you hear what he said? He said he did it for us, as in
carry the plates inside.
I want to stay small now.
What are you doing here? What exactly are you doing now? What are you doing here?
In-law, should I go? In-law will give me permission to go now.
Whatever your elder sister says.
Okay, my in-law. In-law, I'll still come outside.
It's okay.
Hey.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Do you remember a woman called Olachi?
Yes, she was my childhood friend.
That woman lived a bittered life until her death. Not just that. She swore never to see you happy for the rest of your life.
Hey! Why?
Think deeply.
Who am I seeing?
When did you return? How are you?
I'm fine, I'm fine.
See your hair, you're looking so beautiful.
Thank you. When did you return?
My dear, just a few minutes ago, and I decided to come and see my best
Yeah.
friend. Yeah.
Okay.
I miss you so much.
I miss you too. Okay, let's go to my house. I have a lot to tell you.
Olachi the
Yes.
gist lady.
Yes, sir.
I
Trust me.
Take the lead, let's go. You've not changed.
You know I've missed you.
And I've missed you too. So what's up? What do you have?
I went to the market. I want to cook.
Okay.
But you know you're cooking with me. Oh.
Mbao.
It's not that you sit there and me, I'll not enter kitchen
Don't
to go and
stress
cook
me.
for
I'm
you.
not ready for that.
You're not a visitor.
Hello, sweetie.
Hey.
How are you?
I'm fine. This is my friend Onyechi. She's the only friend I have.
Oh, the one you've been telling me about.
Yes.
Really? It's nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
Onyechi, this is Uchendo, the man my heart beats for.
Uchendo, good evening.
Evening. It's nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
You're beautiful.
Thank you.
Wow. Have she had something to eat?
She's not a visitor. In fact, stand up. Let's go to the kitchen.
Come on.
Sit down. Let's go. Are you a visitor?
You again?
Yes, Onyechi, please marry me. Marry me. I am ready to pay your bride price immediately.
Uchendo, save yourself this stress. For goodness sake, if you want a wife, why not marry my friend? Isn't she good enough for you?
She is, but my heart beats for you. From the very first time I set my eyes on you, you've been the one my heart beats for. Please.
So you're telling me to betray my friend, isn't it? For crying out loud, what will people say? No, if I accept your proposal now, what will people say? Tell me.
Onyechi, please try and understand my feelings for you. Yes, Olachi is your friend, but you can ask her. I have not discussed or talked anything about marriage with her.
Uchendo, let this be the first and last you will ever stop me on this road to say rubbish. If you try it again, you will not like what I will do to you. I beg you. I said, let today be the first and last this will happen again. Did you understand me? Rubbish.
Onye, but I love you. Hey.
Ma, I am very, very confused right now. Because I don't know what's happening, honestly.
Is it not better you spill it out already? Because I'm tired. What is it that you want to tell me?
Nez Uchendo, Olachi's boyfriend. That young man has been pestering me, be begging me to marry him. The other time, he knelt down, crawling, begging. Oh God, I don't know what to do.
I don't understand. What is it supposed to mean?
Me too, I don't understand. I'm as confused as you are. I don't know what to do.
So what did you tell him?
What do you expect me to tell him? I said no to him. I can't do that to my friend. Olachi is like his sister to me. She's my best friend. I don't want any form of betrayal at all. So I told him it will not work at all.
I think you have to speak to Olachi. Yes, before she hears it from another mouth.
Ma, do you think this is possible? How will she take this? How do I...
It's better she hears it from you. Talk to her.
This is the reason I came to see you. Because he's been disturbing me since the last time we met.
Well, if Uchendu likes you and he wants to marry you, then accept him if you truly love him.
Olachi, I didn't tell you that I love him. I said he has been disturbing me since the last time we met in your house.
Look, Uchendu is a nice person. And he knows how to take care of a woman. So, if he's so desperate about making you his bride, I would advise you take hold of the opportunity.
You're really confusing me. I don't understand, honestly.
Not at all, my friend. Look, I love you, my best friend. I so much love you like my sister. So, if Uchendu likes you and you like him, who am I to stop something good coming your way?
Yeah.
Who am I?
So are you telling me to accept his proposal? Is that what you're saying?
Why not? Are you not my friend?
Olachi.
You're my best friend.
Hey.
Go on.
Olachi gave her consent. And I'm really not cool about it at all.
Well, she has no choice. She has to give her consent.
Who said so? She has a choice. Is she not your girlfriend?
I am her boyfriend, but I'm not her fiancé. Is that understood though?
I'm not comfortable about this at all. I'm really not cool about it.
How do I make you comfortable with this? Okay. Go home. Tell your father that I will be coming with my king's men to see them next week. Have these made you comfortable?
Honestly, I'm not.
Oh. Just do as I say. Don't worry yourself.
Olachi did not attend my traditional marriage. Though I was worried. Even when I tried several times to reach out to her to know why she didn't attend to my traditional marriage, but she still didn't give me a reasonable answer.
The heart of human is indeed wicked. After Uchendo married you, she traveled to a very far land to acquire black powers. And there she was given a stone with which she used to torment you. Reasons were that you stole her joy and happiness. And as long as that stone remains deep inside the water, so shall you be in pain and agony until you breathe your last breath.
But she gave her consent.
Does it matter?
Hey!
Does it matter? The heart of human is wicked.
Please. Please help us. Help me. Please help us. Please help us. Please. Go. Please. Mama. Hey.
You have to come back on Eke Market Day. Eke is a great day in the spirit world. That is the day that the spirits assemble. Sit down.
Thank you. Thank you. Is that all, Pritia? Thank you.
On that day, I shall take you and your children to the river. And I will ask for mercy and supplication from Mirima, the great mother of peace and justification.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sia, is that all?
Some items will be required for the cleansing.
I am so shocked. I never knew Olachi would go this far to hurt me. Me. How?
Like what Irima said, the heart of man is desperately wicked. I am confused. But you told her, Mama. That's the point. Mama, where is she?
Olachi died 10 years ago. In an accident on her way coming back from the market where she went to sell her farm produce. I don't know.
She will never rest in peace. She cannot rest in peace.
Mama, please. See, Mama. Oh, this is not the time for all this lamenting. The point now is, what do we do? Mama, how do we get money to provide all the items? That is the main thing that we should ask ourselves.
Yes, about that. Ken said he's coming here tomorrow.
Really?
So let's just pray he will get the items for us.
Hey, thank God. If that's the case, Mama, it is settled now.
God will bless him for us.
Oh, God will bless Ken for me. It's just a God sent. God will bless him.
Thank you very much for saving my family.
God in heaven is the only savior of mankind.
Honestly, You've really saved us from a lot and also opened our eyes to see those hidden secrets.
It's okay. I have to be on my way now. Take very good care of Mama.
Thank you for saving us. Thank you.
Take care of Mama.
Thank you.
I'll talk to
Drive
you.
safely.
Yes.
Eh? You're still here? You think I'm joking with you? No, do you think I am joking with you? I will shoot your husband now. You're claiming a staunch man for me. You're claiming staunch. Okay? I gave you 48 hours to sell this house and give me the money. Eh? Now it's up to a month. And you think I'm joking? I will shoot you. No, I will shoot you looking at me like that. You want to rig me? You want to rig me in my own land? It's not possible. Do you want me to suffer? I'm your only child, your only son. Sell this house and give me the money. What are you doing here? You're an old man, old man. Yes, old man. You have nothing to live for. I have future ahead of me. You just Adana and her sisters from their house. You sold their house. And you think you will live here peacefully. Eh? You think you will live here peacefully. And you have not settled me. Mama, I will shoot your husband. I will shoot your husband.
Don't go here
You want to rig me? You want to rig me in my own land? You want to rig me in my own land? Tonight is the final day. Mama, talk to this man. Tonight is the what? The final day. If I don't see that money, Maba, you will die.
Amadi, my friend, you look so worried. What happened?
It is my son.
What did he do this time around?
Emeka wanted to kill me and my wife.
Emeka? What's wrong with that boy? Why does he want to kill his parents?
You need to see the anger in his eyes, the fire in his eyes. You need to see the bitterness. You need to see how deadly he looks.
That is too bad of him.
What have I not done for Emeka? What have I not done? I gave him money. I sold my late brother's house, properties. I rendered his family homeless, hopeless, just to make my son happy. Yet, he is not happy. What else will I do? Will I kill myself for him? What have I not done? What is all this? No, did I commit any crime by giving birth to him?
Amadi, my friend, let me tell you the gospel truth. It is what it is, and there's no way I can help you. I'm very sorry. My hands are tied.
Hi.
Asa nọ na mmiri biko senite n'elu ụwa ka ọ dịla anyị mma. Onye nọ n'ụwa ga-enweta ife dị mma. Onye nọ n'ụwa nọ ga-ala ala. Asa nọ na mmiri biko senite n'elu ụwa ka ọ dịla anyị mma. Onye nọ n'ụwa ga-elite ife dị mma. Onye nọ n'ụwa nọ ga-ala ala. Asa nọ na mmiri biko senite n'elu ụwa ka ọ dịla anyị mma. We have to start going. We have to leave before the sun sets. If the sun sets, it will affect the ritual. This is the perfect time for the ritual. Let's go. Asano na mmiri biko senite n'elu ụwa ka ọ dịrị anyị mma. Onye nọ n'ụwa ga-elite ife dị mma. Onye nọ n'ụwa na ọ ga-ana. Mmiri mma, mmiri mma, mmiri mma, mmiri mma. The great mother of peace and justification, I call upon you today. I come before you with your children, and we are here to ask for your mercy. We are here to ask for cleansing. Cleanse them from every negativity. Nullify everything that is working against them. Any power that is in the sea, on the land, in the air that is working against their destinies, nullify it. Whatsoever that is in the sea, in the air, on the land that is working against them, nullify their power. I pray that you fight their battles. I declare and decree that they are cleansed. Have mercy. Mercy we ask for. They are only but children. They do not know. Have mercy. Have mercy upon them. Cleanse them. Purify them. Let your grace rest upon them. Bless their going out and their coming in. I declare and decree that whatsoever that is working against them shall not continue to happen. Henceforth, no negativity shall come to them. I declare and decree that they are cleansed. Bless them. Gozie fana ekenoye na fonankwọ. Nsi na ọ ga-adịlụ fana mma. Ọjịjụ namba tunu ga-abụ ifeọma ifeọma. Etu a nsi kwuo etu a ka ọ ga-esi wee dị. N'afa Chukwu, n'afa ndị a na n'afa ndị mmiri.
Today is the happiest day of my life. I am so happy and excited that my joy has been restored finally.
And a big thank you to Ken.
Oh.
Ken was a huge part of this whole thing.
Yes.
And we must say thank you to
God will bless him.
Again, I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
What are you thinking?
I'm thinking that somebody is in love with somebody.
And what is wrong if this somebody is in love with that somebody? Yes, Ken deserves the love. And the little thing I can do is to love him back.
Hey! Thank you so much. Thank you.
Why is this one clearing her throat? You see that your throat will break into two.
Hey! Hey! This is the kind of thing I want to hear. Not, Mama, leave me. I want to remain here. This one even says she wants to bath honoring her father's house. I don't understand. Hey, well, I'm so excited. I'm happy. I'll be the mum, I'll be the man, Hell.
Mama, I cannot wait for you to be healthy again.
Mama.
Yes, our excitement will be full.
Me too, Mama.
I am fine. Listen, even if I die, at least I have accomplished what I'm looking for. That joyful momentum, I've done it. I am happy. But let me tell you, Mama is not dying. I am not dying. Oh, I will be well again.
Amen.
I will be strong again.
Amen.
See, with the happy mood in your faces, you are giving me encouragement and source of joy. So I will be well again. Oh,
Amen.
See, I am going to carry you, my grandchildren, Adana's kids and your own, and Ngozi's own. I will carry them. I am not going anywhere.
Amen.
And you see this wheelchair? I am going to get up from it and I will walk with my 2 legs.
Yes, you'll be carrying your grandchildren.
Yes.
Walking.
Yes.
Walking.
Yes.
Our grandchild.
Yes. My grand, all of you will give me grandchildren.
Yes.
I will carry them. This my back. I will use it and carry my grandchildren.
Amen.
I will carry my grandchildren.
Mama, you carry my own first.
Yeah. No, I'll carry Adana's grandchild first. Before you and then your sister. Yes. All of you, I will back them. Yes. Only you. Yes.
And Mama, you'll be walking.
Yes, I will walk.
You see this,
I will not remain in this seat. Yes. I will get up and I will walk.
Mama, sincerely speaking, I am happy to be in your midst today and to share in your joy.
It all happened because of you, Mom. If not for you, in fact, you are a man indeed. God will continue to bless you.
Amen.
For standing by me and coming to my rescue. Amen. My God will not leave you. Inugo, thank you so much. Hey.
Mama, I would like to make my intentions known to this family. Yes, Mama, I would want to marry Adana.
Adankem?
Yes, Mama.
Please, marry her. Just take him, let him marry you.
Well, I would have been here with 2 of my friends, but Collins and Tochukwu. But they traveled out of the country the very few days. Yes, few days after I met Adana and her siblings. Yeah, the 3 of us own a company here in Nigeria. Yes, Zenko Group of Companies. Yes,
Wait,
Mama.
hold on. Excuse me. Sorry to cut you short. Zenko Group of Companies?
Yeah.
Yes, I submitted my CV there some time ago, and I was told there was no vacancy. I know the company. Yes, the company is quite big.
Wow.
Mama.
Small world.
Sister was the manager.
Now you don't need the vacancy. You are already director.
Okay.
Wow.
You see, my friends, like I said, they would have been here with me. But as it is right now, as we speak right now, they are on their way back from the States because Collins is interested in marrying Ngozi.
Chelu. Ngozi nkemo. Ngozi nkemo. Omeleme.
And Tochukwu wants to marry Ifeoma.
Hey!
Mama. The traditional marriage will be done the same.
Somebody should wake me up. I might dream it because I might dream it. Hey, Mama, wake me up. My God has answered me. My God has answered me. Hey! Thank you. In-law. God bless you. God bless you. Thank you, sir. God bless you. God bless you. God will keep blessing you. God will bless you.
See what I was telling you? What God cannot do
does not exist.
I can't imagine the joy in my heart. Finally, we are getting married soon.
Thank you for loving me and my family.
I couldn't stay away back then, in as much as you detest me.
One won't go through what I went through and want to love again.
But thank God it's all over now. It's all in the past.
I love you.
Not as much as I love you, my queen.
What did you just call me?
My queen, the queen of my kingdom.
Can I hug you?
Of course.
Mama, my husband has made a booking with a specialist in one of the most expensive hospitals in Nigeria. You'll be having a surgery there so that you can walk again.
Yes, Mama.
Specialist hospital.
Oh, yes, yes. All arrangements have been made.
Yes.
By next week, we'll commence.
Next week.
Yes, Mama.
Hey, thank you.
Uncle, my husband has also contracted a very good contractor on your other land to build you a duplex. Yes. And a brand new car has been ordered from Innocence Motor here in Nigeria, one of the best car brands we have. So the car will be here by next week.
Oh, yes.
A duplex and a car.
Yes.
And you say in a little way. What is little over there? My daughter, come. Come kneel before me. My son-in-law, join.
Thank you.
Join her.
Hey.
Is this what you say in a little way? This is big. My daughter. I bless the both of you. In fact, let this blessing extend to Ngozika and Ifeoma. Whatever you do, you shall prosper in life. Multiple of children will fill your home. Thank you.
Thank you.
A car and a duplex.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
This is not a little way.
Adanaya. Thank you so much.
A car and a duplex.
Yes, sir.
Some people are crying, oh yeah. Some people are laughing, oh yeah. This life we are living is just two sides of a coin, but you never know how it would play. No matter what you're going through, just hope you know it's not what taking your life. We tried our best to